He likes it. Gotta take a picture of him. That's impressive. It's freezing. I would go out, fragile boy.
You are fragile.
That's my nickname.
Fragile boy.
Fragile boy. Remember Adam Sandler on Saturday Night Live?
Yeah.
What was that character?